Hi, fifth graders. Today we are going to be going through Unit 20, Greek and Latin Roots. So make sure that you have your notebook out. This unit's hint is meet me in the middle. And our roots for this week are medi, which is the Latin root meaning middle, semi or hemi, which is the Latin root meaning half, and equa, which is the Latin root meaning even or level. So our first word today is medium, and medium is in the middle of a range of possible sizes or amounts. So we have a picture here that shows a large, a medium, and a small coffee. So it says I wasn't sure I could finish a large coffee, so I ordered a medium one. Median is a mathematical term that refers to the middle value in a series of numbers arranged from smallest to largest. So to find that median of a set of numbers, you order them from least to greatest, and then you count inwards until you get to the very middle number, and you circle that. So that middle. Here we have med in mediocre, which is like not very good, but not really bad. It's kind of right in the middle. If something's mediocre, it's not super great, it's not super horrible. So since I didn't dedicate much time to practicing, I was just a mediocre piano player. Mediate, again, has that med or middle in there, and it basically means that you are going to put yourself in the middle of two opposing sides who might be arguing or battling, and you're going to try and sort it out so that they agree on something. So it means to work with opposing sides in an argument in order to bring about an agreement. When my partner and I disagreed about our project, our teacher came in to mediate and find a resolution to our problem. Semicircle has the root semi in it, meaning half, and it really means just half a circle. We have semi and then circle, so semicircle. We folded the paper circle right down the middle to form a semicircle. Hemisphere has hemi, also meaning half in it. One of the halves of Earth divided by the equator, one of two halves of a sphere. The US and Canada are located in the northern hemisphere of Earth. Semicolon has this root semi-half in it, and it's a punctuation mark where half of it is a dot and half is a comma. And so we use that to link sentences together when they are related to each other. So instead of using a comma and a fanboys word, we may use a semicolon to join two sentences together. Equitable has the root equa in it, meaning equal or fair. So this means being fair or just. After bickering for hours, my little sister and I finally agreed on an equitable arrangement for sharing the computer. Equator has the root equa or equal or right in the middle for it. It's an imaginary circle around the middle of Earth, equally distant from the North Pole and the South Pole. The climate near the equator is warm and tropical. Equidistant has that root equa in it, meaning equal. It's equally distant. So as we said, the equator is equally distant from the North and South Poles. And those are our words for Greek and Latin roots. Please make sure you've put them down in your notebook for this week for Unit 20.